Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making rosemary garlic pork chops. Alright guys, I'm starting out here in a large skillet I have preheating. And I'm going to add some olive oil in here. And I have some boneless center cut pork chops here I season with some salt and pepper. So I'm just going to put enough olive oil in to coat the bottom of the skillet. And I'm going to have to turn my heat down in here because I can see that smoking. Now I'm going to get my pork chops in here and brown them up real good on both sides. Alright, now that my pork chops are done browning up, I took them off the heat. I have them sitting on the back stove here. I have 2 sticks of butter here I melted in a bowl. Now I'm going to add in 2 heaping teaspoons of diced up garlic. You can also use 2 cloves of garlic. And I made extra butter because we're going to eat this over our mashed potatoes that we're making with this too. And I'm going to add in a tablespoon of dry rosemary. You can also use fresh rosemary. You'd want to use a little more because that's a little more... a little less potent than a dry. I'm going to give this a good stir, guys. Just want to blend everything together in there. Alright, I'm going to sit this over here and bring my pork chops out. And I'm going to spoon some of this butter, rosemary garlic butter, over top of our pork chops. You just want to make sure you get some of that rosemary in there with the garlic. Now what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to put this in a 375-degree oven uncovered for 15 minutes. What that will do is that'll allow our pork chops to cook through. So when it's time to bring these out, I'll bring you guys back. Alright guys, my pork chops just came out of the oven. They're ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. I also went ahead and made some mashed potatoes, and I covered them with that extra garlic rosemary butter, and I made some garlic green beans. So I wouldn't eat this before you go on a date. Let me get in here and slicing this pork chop, guys, until it's nice and tender. See, the pork chops cook through. It's really good, guys. Well seasoned. You get the rosemary, garlic, salt, and pepper. Nice and juicy, tender. It's really good, guys. Great for a Sunday dinner. Alright, there you have it. Rosemary garlic pork chops. Give it a try. Thanks for watching. And until next time, I'll see ya.